If you have difficulty in cutting a bob wig, a blunt cut wig, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you perfect way to trim your blunt cut. How to make a perfect cut without doing mistake, without overcutting. These are the few tools you'll be needing. You'll be needing your tape rule, then you'll be needing your styling comb. Also, you'll be needing a scissors and a clipper. You can make use of your scissors if you don't have a clipper. So let's get right into it. Locate and pat out where your closure end, the bottom of your closure or frontal. Just locate that place, then place your tape rule on it and measure the length you want to cut out. If it's a 10 inches you want, if it's a 11 inches, 12 inches, 14, 16, the length you want to cut out, just measure it and take your clipper at the exact measurement you want to cut. So I want to trim 11 inches on this hair, so I am trimming out 11.5. I am leaving half inches extra. I am trimming out 11.5 inches. So by the time I do the finishing, it will be exactly 11 inches, the inches I want, which is what you should do. That is for the back. So for the front side, put it at the center of the closure. If it's a front side, pat out the center, put the tape rule at the center, then measure out the length you want to cut at the front as well. So for this front, I'll be cutting 12 inches for the front because I want the wig to be like to slant forward. I want the wig to slant forward. So I'll be cutting 12 inches at the front. Do same thing to the other side. Let's get to work. This is where you need your styling comb because you need to be combing it thoroughly while cutting. You comb, you cut, you comb, you cut. That is how you are going to get that perfect cut. If you don't comb it while cutting, some places will be showing under. Some places will be longer. So you need to be combing it while cutting. When you trim, you comb. You trim, you comb. Just like that. During this process, make sure your scissors is beside it because you'll be trimming some very stubborn strand that cannot cut with the clipper. You trim it with your scissors, and this is what you should have. And voila, we have successfully made a perfect bob wig. You can either style it as a blunt cut or you style it as bob. So this hair is not really bob, it's not really blunt cut, it's just kind of curved in a little. The purpose of this video is getting a perfect cut, not too short, not too long, not that one side is longer than the other side. You understand? I know you'll be making that mistake. That's why you watch this video to this moment. If you find this helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, and also if you have any difficulty in any kind of styling or anything about wig, kindly let me know in the comment section what you want me to teach you guys or talk about in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.